Amigos, buenas tardes. La semana que recién terminó, el presidente Barack Obama volvió a repetir que iba a tomar acción ejecutiva en favor de los inmigrantes.
Contaminated water bulletin in effect. The Walker County water supply has been contaminated with an unknown acid. Water acidity has been reported at 3.6 in most areas, which is very acidic. Water also delivers chemical burns to those who touch it without protective equipment. At this time, all residents in Walker County must stop commercial water usage immediately. Cities reporting water contamination include but are not limited to Jasper, Carbon Hill, Oakman, Parrish, Cordova, Dora, and Somerton. Water supply across Walker County will shortly be cut off. Emergency management will deliver bottled and purified water to areas across the county. Water rationing has been ordered in Dora, Summit, and Jasper. If you are in these cities, water theft is now considered a felony. Stay tuned to local news stations for further updates on this situation.
It all ends here, old friend.
Shelter in place. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Carbon Hill Police Department and the National Weather Service. Rain associated with the thunderstorm over Carbon Hill has become contaminated with water from an acidic reservoir near Carbon Hill. The rain associated with this thunderstorm may cause extreme chemical burns and damage to structures. At this time, all residents of Carbon Hill are requested to seek shelter as if a tornado is approaching your location. Stay tuned for further updates on this situation.
Well, then you should have called him Clawbot or Delacerator or Pinchatron 9000, but Burnbot. I mean, that's just false advertising.